Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Have a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland in Firecracker Red. With LED reflector headlamps, LED front fog lamps, 18-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, Freedom 3-piece hardtop, LED tail lamps, Class 5 receiver hitch, leather-trimmed bucket seats, premium wrapped instrument panel bezels, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, leather-wrapped shift knob, rear armrest with cup holders, ALPINE premium audio system, cargo management group with tail rail system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P2005.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.